Hey guys, I've got a Honda Pilot. It's a one of the older ones, one of the first generation Honda Pilots, and they have a problem with the rear end sagging quite a bit. Over the years, the rear end will start sagging because the coil springs start getting weak, and the shocks get weak. I'm going to replace the shocks on the rear. These are some Gabriel heavy duty ProGuard shocks. So they're supposed to be a little bit heavier duty than the original shocks. So I'll take one of these out of here for you. So that's what it looks like. I got them on Amazon. That's the part number. I'll put a link to where you can get them on Amazon down below. They're really affordable, and they have great reviews, and they're supposed to work really well on the Honda Pilot. Thanks for looking.